Phase 3. Applied Prompt Engineering. Lesson 1. Designing prompts for real AI models. 1. Understanding the difference between AI models. Each AI system responds to prompts differently. Here's a quick comparison. AI model, best for prompt style tip, ChatGPT OpenAI. Text, coding, ideas, scripts, be clear plus structured, use examples. Gemini Google, research, data, facts. Ask for step-by-step logic. Claude Anthropic, long documents, analysis. Use reasoning-based prompts, DALL, Midjourney, image generation. Claude 2. Prompt structure formula, the 5-part power prompt. Use this universal format to get professional results from any AI. Role plus task plus context plus constraints plus output format. Example 1 for ChatGPT. You are an expert YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 60-second educational video script explaining how AI works using simple language. Include an engaging hook and ending quote. Example 2 for DALL. Create an image of a futuristic classroom where a teacher is an AI robot. Students are learning via holograms. Bright colors, cyberpunk style. 3. AI prompt optimization techniques. Here's how professionals fine-tune prompts. 1. Iterative prompting. Ask, check result, then refine. Example, make it shorter, add humor, make it sound confident. 2. Chaining prompts. Use multiple prompts in sequence for a complete output. Example, Step 1. Generate 10 video ideas about AI. Step 2. Write a script for idea number 2 in YouTube short format. 3. Role-based prompts. Start with you are a, to give the model identity. Example, you are a professional data scientist. Analyze this dataset and give insights. 4. Real-world applications. Industry. Prompt example, YouTubers. You are a creative YouTube strategist. Write a viral video script about future AI jobs. Developers. You are a Python expert. Write clean code for an online calculator with user input. Designers. Create a modern logo for an AI startup using blue tones and circuit shapes. Students summarize this paragraph in 3 points for exam preparation. Business owners. Write a 30-second marketing pitch for my digital product in an energetic tone. Mini project hands-on practice. Goal. Create a prompt system for YouTube content creation. Try this. Greater than you are a professional YouTube AI assistant. Generate 3 viral video ideas for my AI education channel, then write a short script for one of them in 45 seconds. You can use this same system in ChatGPT to plan your next 10 videos instantly. Lesson summary. Every AI model needs a different style of prompt. Use the 5-part structure for clear, powerful results. Refine, chain, and role-play prompts for professional outcomes. Real-world use equals the true skill of a prompt engineer. Next lesson, Lesson 2 in Phase 3, Prompting for Coding, Image Generation, and Data Analysis.